Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a very exciting upload to share with you guys, or very exciting unboxing to share with you guys. I know exactly what's in here. We'll get into it in just a sec. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's get into it. Make a cut there. Is that the tape? Yeah, there we go. And one sec, just stripping the label without showing any of the tracking info. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna have to pull it out because the tracking, there we go. We have oh my gosh. What? Oh, this was not what I was expecting. Oh my goodness. Get out of here. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Oh God, I love this so much. Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh man, I am having a freaking mental meltdown right now. Oh my gosh, that I didn't know. I didn't know that this was going to happen. Yes. What is this? Where is it from? Who sent it? This is from River's Edge Cutlery. I know a lot of you guys look at that setup there and think I know exactly who did that. Oh my goodness. Here's the readout right here. I'm just losing my mind over that right now. That was so you could pause and read it. This might be the single most beautiful Spyderco knife that I have ever seen. This camera's having a hard time with this FDE. So this is an FDE coated Shaman with OD green scales, and as you can see there, CTS 204P steel. Oh my gosh. Look at that. They coated the liners. Oh. Oh yes. Oh, this is my favorite thing right now. Oh gosh. I'm so happy. Listen, so me and coatings, it's very hit and miss. In fact, it's more often miss than hit. But the most beautiful coatings, right? The most beautiful finishes to me. I got a weird thing with bronze, not on the hardware, but like this, the accent in the right place. On the blade, for some reason, when I see blades with the gold tints or the earthy tints, I just love that. I love seeing that so much. And we do not see this through Spyderco. River's Edge Cutlery has done this in the past with at least the Para 3, possibly the PM2. I honestly can't remember. But the fact that we've got it in the Shaman now, I am so excited about this. This is so incredible. I am losing my mind over this right now. So, listen. I will link down below River's Edge Cutlery because I'm going to try and, obviously now, you know, that this is something that's going to release soon. So I will link down below where you can be prepared to get it, but be prepared to get it. Obviously people are like, you're building up hype for it. Spyderco and River's Edge Cutlery don't need me to build hype for something like this. This is going to build hype on its own, right? So, rest assured, I'm gonna guess when they do drop, they will go quickly. This will definitely be a Shaman to get. If you are, whether you're a collector, enthusiast, knife user, right? It doesn't matter. This has got something for everybody. It's probably gonna be pretty expensive. Yeah, I think this is the coolest Shaman that's ever been done. I'm going to wipe that blade down a little bit. I imagine we've just got some fingerprints and stuff on it because the DLC honestly feels and looks really good. Wow, that is such a beautiful color combination. I am so happy that this is a thing. I can't explain to you guys how happy it makes me that this is a reality right now. Oh my goodness. So yeah, check the link down in the description, River's Edge Cutlery, and make sure you're ready to go when they drop. I don't know exactly when it's going to be. Check their website, check their Instagram for sure. That would be a good place. If you guys, ready to go, then you'll be able to get your hands on this. Thank you to River's Edge Cutlery for sending this in for me to take a look at. That's really, really cool. I am extremely excited. I did not know. I didn't know. I knew that they were sending me something, but I didn't know it was that. I had no idea. I never would have guessed in a million years that this is what they were sending me. So, very cool. Thank you very much. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.